Meaning of grasped.
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 Grasped. The word grasped is a verb that means to inform on someone or to betray their trust. It is often used in relation to criminal activity, where one person tells the authorities about the criminal actions of another person. This can result in legal consequences for the person being grasped on. In more informal settings, being grasped on can lead to social consequences such as loss of respect and trust from friends and acquaintances. Overall, being grasped on is generally seen as negative and can have serious consequences for the person involved.